Okay guys, here we go. Check, 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 mother trucker, check, mother trucker. I'm gonna pull a better day, man. Oh, coming after you, Dan. Oh, I'm gonna get you in the booty hole. Oh, damn, he's already started to pull my dillies. So we're pulling the bed. Yeah, just cut it. Fucking. Oh, yeah, the battery's out, so just cut it.
You gonna cut it back here until you're rewired in?
No, I'm not gonna do that. If I was gonna use that, I think that thing's only like 20 bucks. So just.
Actually, I think I got one new one in the hole.
Just cut it off flush. Okay, you already got through the bare metal. Oh, what a nice, lovely new knife. Don't get into my bed. Don't get into my bed. Oh my gosh. That's coming out of your non-paycheck, buddy. Oh my Lanta. Just slide in. Make sure it doesn't hit the back glass. Oh, hold on, wait until my fat ass gets out of here.
Where you going?
I'm just saying, the hooks aren't strong enough to pick me up. It ain't strong enough to pick the bed up, let alone me. Okay. It's coming. Hey Dan, it helps to pull all the bolts out. You don't have to pull all the bolts out, but it helps. Woo! Okay, so this is what a 200 and some thousand, 250 plus thousand mile truck looks like that has sat in grass after it's, yeah, here's the bed. I didn't even have to unbolt this one. Yeah, it sucks. At least it still has some mounting points. This is what it looks like after. Easy and nice. So just, well, it's just free horsepower is all. I mean, it's not, every tap is a mile per gallon. Woo! 3 miles a gallon, 3 miles a gallon, 4 miles a gallon.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on a Duramax and making it better to be able to actually drive the stupid thing. And then we're going to drive the stupid thing because we're going to be able to actually do that without spending a whole lot of monies. It'll be super duper nice not to do that. I don't like spending the monies, so I'm just going to swap it and then turbo it, and then it'll be the same torque and the same horsepower as a LB7 with a quarter of the price in it. And then not have to worry about the injectors. Oh, I won't have to worry about that stuff.
Also, another thing that was going bad, it's what allegedly was going bad with this truck, was contamination in the fuel lines, and I'm sure it was because of my stupidity because I didn't actually change all of the hard lines. I changed the hard lines going to the injectors, but I didn't change the hard lines going through the motor and all that jazz. And as soon as you start messing with them, they just start breaking and like the rust free and then start going everywhere. And also, when I pulled this bed off, that is a gap. That's not a shadow. That's a straight freaking gap that. I'm not gonna, yeah. Yeah, see, look at that. So, something else I'm gonna have to use off the other truck. So I guess we'll see what this looks like. See what the whole thing looks like. Ooh, what the hell? It's like a big suction, like a big siphon tube or something. It's got diesel fuel in it. I probably shouldn't have pulled that out. Probably should have left it in there. I was just curious though. Well, that's okay. You guys got my chest. Okay. Now, ooh, that's one more butter. Mama better, baby. Mama better, baby. Yeah. Okay. Here's these little dealies are stuck in there. So, yeah, almost out of this stuff. So, and just in case you guys think this is a complete rust bucket, just let me show you the. Yeah. Let me show you the inside. I mean, the inside, the seats are super nice, perfect. Yeah. Also, we live in Mansfield, Ohio, so you always just have to worry about your freaking radio getting stolen out of it, and a bunch of fucking hill jacks, or a bunch of hill jacks stealing your shit. The bezel, they didn't even steal the bezel, they stole the radio, the least amount of money that you can get, and then they smashed my instrument cluster, cracked it, and then they broke off a knob. Ta-da, all clean. That's how you lose 15 pounds removing rust. Yeah. Also, if anybody knows anybody that has an LB7 motor and needs an LB7, hit me up, and everything's there. I can give them the wiring harness, all that jazz. It's all still on there. I can get the valve cover. I still have that. Don't worry about that. The injector pump and all that jazz. I took that off too. I was going to clean everything, but like I said, I lost ambition. Everything needed changed on it. Well, I hope you guys have been enjoying watching this. It's gonna be a series, so I guess that's it. It's been real, it's been fun, but it ain't been real fun.